let's start adding oil here. Let's add this oil here, right? Yeah, you gotta pour it in there. Pour all of it in there. All of it. Okay, and then now we're gonna add the sour cream. The sour cream. We need help. There you go. Ooh.
It's going to make it good and nice.
Yeah.
It's good and nice.
It's gonna make it smooth and moist, right?
And
Okay, and then we're gonna add the vanilla extract. Come on, dump it. Woo, JJ doing it. And then the pineapple extract. Woo, woo. We don't want to waste none of it. There we go.
Yeah.
And then sugar. Woo, come on, come on. Yes. All that sugar.
All
Okay,
that
now
sugar
we're
is
gonna
on
mix
it.
this, right? We're gonna mix it all together. Come on, come on, come on. Let's do this together. Strong arm. Let's do this. We're making mommy and daddy's anniversary cake.
Yeah. Whoa.
Come on, mix it. There we go.
It's
A
smooth.
little help.
Yeah.
We needed to make it smoother.
Yeah.
Yoo-hoo.
Yeah, we're cookers.
We are
Bakers.
we are bakers.
Yeah.
Yeah, bakers.
We
We're
are.
baking up in here, right?
Mhm.
There we go. Okay, and then what is next? The
Um.
egg. Oh, hold this egg one at a time, right?
Okay.
We're gonna add one egg. What? And then
What?
mix. And then we're gonna add the next one, right? Right? Say hi to
What?
people. Say hi to people.
Hi, people.
Right there.
Hi, people.
Come on, mix it. Help me. Help me. Help me. What? We doing it. Okay. The next egg. The second one. Maybe add it all together.
Yeah.
Maybe add it all together. No. We don't touch that. There we go. Come on. Oh. Slow down. Slow down so we won't spill. Come on. Let mommy mix it for a little bit. Hold on. Let mommy help. See? We gotta break the yolk. Maybe switch it to the electric mixer, JJ? You wanna
No.
mix it?
No, that's not good.
That's not good?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think you helped me enough, JJ. Don't you think?
Yeah, I was going to help you, but
More?
yeah, more.
Yeah.
I mean.
Okay, wow. Look at that. Okay.
Whoa, oh my god.
So next, we're gonna add the milk and the flour, right?
Milk in the flour.
Yes, it's the milk and the flour turn now. But we may have to switch it. Hold on. First, we're gonna add the flour, okay? Come on, not like this. Scoop it up. Scoop it up. Slow down, slowly. 2, 3. Ooh, making a mess. JJ, come on, leave it alone. Leave that alone. I'll clean in a minute, okay? After we're done. Come on. We're gonna mix it.
Whoa, it's gone, Mommy.
Yeah. We're mixing it.
Whoa.
Right? We spilled half of it right there. Come on. You're gonna do it? It's
Oh
okay.
my god.
I'll wash it. Oh my god.
Don't like it.
You
Don't like
like it?
You'll
Yeah.
like it later.
We
You
are.
like it when you eat it.
Hi, guys.
And then we're gonna add a little bit of milk.
Really?
Milk.
Yeah.
Okay. Mix.
Yeah.
Mix.
Okay.
Come on. Slow down. Okay, slowly. So you won't spill it. Slowly.
I am the best cooker in the world. I ain't going to cook. Okay. I'm going to cook some cake and stuff. I want to cook that cake.
Really?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Well, you making a cake right now, right?
Yeah. This one is it's
Oh,
like
okay. Maybe mommy will add the flour, right?
yeah.
Let mommy add the flour while you're mixing. Okay. Slow down, slowly, Papishu. Come on, mommy will help you too.
That's good, JJ.
It's gone forever, mommy.
Yeah, it's gone forever.
Yeah.
Keep going, right?
Yeah.
You tired?
No.
Maybe you wanna eat your popsicle now?
No.
No? You wanna put it in the oven?
Yeah. For me, and I'm not going to put it in the oven yet because we're not done
We're
yet.
not done yet. Yeah, hold on. Okay, let mommy mix a little bit.
Oh my god. It is
Oh my
yellow. The
It is
sugar.
yellow.
Yeah, the
It's
sugar.
a pineapple cake. Pineapple coconut cake.
Yeah, but it's
It's
the
the
sugar.
eggs.
The sugar is
Mm.
gone.
The sugar is gone. The flour is gone. Now we're gonna add some milk. Come on. The last milk. Woo! Hold on.
I do by myself.
You wanna do it by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. I'll give you. Just give me a minute.
Yeah, my.
Hold on. Let me add more flour. Okay.
Okay.
More flour.
Real big.
Right.
Let
Can you
me
feel
do-
it?
I will do it by myself.
Okay, let me mix it a little bit for you.
Okay.
So, and then you mix, okay? Did you say hi to people over there on the camera?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
What are we making? Tell them what are we making?
What are we making?
What are we making? You tell them.
What are we making?
What are we making, JJ? What are we making in here? What are we baking up in here?
We are baking
Mm-hmm.
sugar and egg cake.
Uh-huh.
Sugar and pineapple cake.
What? It's gonna be yummy, isn't it? It's full now, JJ. Okay,
Yeah.
let me add the last of the flour.
Why is it this big?
Ooh,
Why
I did it.
Yeah. Let me do it by myself.
Okay, just slowly. Just do it slowly, okay?
Okay.
Uh-huh. A little help? Maybe a little
No.
help? Okay, do it.
It's just
Come, it's my turn. It's my turn.
inside there. It's inside there.
It's inside there, JJ.
Let's get it out.
Oh, it's full.
Oh, let's get it out.
The bowl is full, JJ.
Yeah. It is a bigger thing. Big. It is so big. I'm a chef.
Mhm.
I need your chef clothes.
You want my chef clothes?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll get you a chef outfit for you, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe we have to switch it to electric mixer, JJ.
Electric what?
Hold on.
I told you that electric is like I need that.
Hold on, JJ.
I need
You want to mix it?
yeah.
Okay. What?
Remix.
Hold on. Hold it. Hold it.
Let's
We
put
don't need
it.
all this juice in here. We may not need it. So we add pineapple.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, look at that. Look at that, yummy. And then we have coconut here. So it's gonna be yummy. Yummy for my tummy, right?
Yeah.
And we mix it together.
It's that yummy. It's that
Isn't
yummy.
that yummy?
Yeah. I
Look at
agree.
this. Look at this.
Why is it dropping on there?
That's okay.
It's
We're
not.
making a mess anyway.
Yeah.
We have to clean it. Right?
Yeah, but there's sugar all over here.
Okay. Mommy will clean it.
Well,
Mommy will take
it
care
dropped
of
on my foot.
it. Really?
Yeah.
Honey, still recording? That's it. Okay, now we're gonna grease the pan.
Grease the pan.
Look at this. Hold on. Hold on, JJ. We're gonna grease the pan. Stay there. Don't touch anything. Don't touch anything. Pan release here. This is a homemade pan release, right?
Up in there. Hey, look.
See?
At me.
Come on. We're gonna grease it so well. Okay, okay. Side, on the bottom.
Yeah, and it's on my hand. So it's little all over my hand. Why is this all over? Daddy, look at this mess over here.
Who did that?
Us?
Me. You did it. We'll clean it together, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do it. It's okay.
Daddy is a great job, Mommy. Great job.
Thank you. Great job, JJ. You did a great job. Now we're gonna wait. We're gonna divide it into these 4 pans.
Poor baby.
4.
Poor
It's funny, JJ.
you.
You're laughing at me. Really, JJ? Really? Okay, I'm gonna get the scale. And I need something to scoop
Let me
on
push
this.
that. Let me push that button. What?
Okay.
What time is it? What time is she telling me? Is she telling me the time is time to make a cake? Is she telling me
Okay.
that, Mommy?
Oh, see?
This thing.
Uh-huh.
This thing is telling me. Mommy,
So, hold on, JJ.
this thing is telling me that it's time to make cake.
It's time to make a cake.
Yeah, she's telling me that.
It's the weight,
Yeah.
not the time.
For the time is the time for my computer. We're going to put it
We have
inside.
more. Maybe we
Yeah,
can make it as a cupcake, the rest of it.
yeah, we're gonna make it and stuff, and when it gets done. Yeah. Let's play rock,
Okay.
paper, scissors.
This is 75.
Let's do rock, paper, scissors.
Hold on, JJ.
We're gonna do that when it's done. This is 7-1.
Is it?
Yeah. 7-2. Yes. What?
Okay. I think it's enough.
Whoa, that's hot there.
It is.
Let's
It's time to get
do
in the oven.
let's do rock, paper, scissors. Yeah.
What?
Rock, paper, scissors, okay? Let's play rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, say bye to people.
Bye,
Blow
people.
a kiss. Blow a kiss.